Well, we need some time to fix our shifter. Hi, I'm Uriel, and together with Johan we have taken up the mission to share the fun of road tripping with our Queasy rides. If you have been following us, you know that we had planned to test out 10 new tours to add to our online road trip planning tool on our website, and to take you on tour with us by posting vlogs of all our experiences. But I have to say that our lives are throwing us some serious curves lately. It feels like, well, it was filled with heavy hairpins and that we almost missed a few. And although we know that the saying goes, it's only one down and the rest is up, well, I think our shifter broke. We already did go on the first 4 tours, and we will be going on those 6 remaining tours because we want them to be ready for you to use as of next year, and I am sure that the wind therapy will do us some good. But we did decide not to go on with the on-tour vlog as we've planned it, because, well, I just couldn't get around of editing the first vlogs, and, well, it's our mission to share the fun, and we just don't feel that fun at this moment. We might share some pictures when we're there, and maybe even if we feel like it, some shorter videos, or maybe not, I don't know. We'll just see what happens and what we're up to, and we're just gonna, well, take our time. So I don't know when, but we will be back. So keep following us, keep liking our posts, please. And also, please, 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 try to enjoy every day that you have, because, you know, it can be different or over in a heartbeat. So, well, we hope to see you on a Queasy ride soon. Bye bye.